Hey everyone, ScrumptiliciousAsian here, and today I'll be unboxing Ichi from the series Heavily Armed High School Girls. This is Nendoroid number 1111, and things to know is that she doesn't actually have an authenticity sticker, and I don't know if it's because I bought this from a taco mode or anything, but I know this is still authentic because I did buy it from a reputable seller. She does have the decals noting from that it's from the series, or from it's a Nendoroid, and it's from Good Smile, and she looks still, I did get it from a reputable seller, so just things to note. Now, Heavily Armed High School Girls is an original series. It doesn't have any animes or anything, and I thought I opened this already. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, I did open this already, so let's get this unboxed. Now let's get this packaging out and instructions. Now, you can notice the inside of the box is super bright pink. Another sign that this is an authentic figure or Nendoroid. And now that can be left right about, let's leave it right there. Instructions to show what's inside the box, what you're getting, accessories and such. She is getting, I guess, 5 knives. I guess 3 swords and 2 knives. And remember, this is a pre-owned item I have owned before, or this is a pre-owned item I have put away before, so everything you're seeing in here might not be exactly as what you get, but make sure you're just getting it from a reputable seller and you'll be good. You'll be golden. A little light. All right, there we go. That looks better. So yep, you get inside of her accessories, the Nendoroid stand or holder, whatever you want to call this thing. The base is inside a blister. You get your sword and accessories, and all her hands, I think feet, are in this little side pocket. Get on to the main one. She comes with 2 faces, the figure itself, 2 knives, the main katana. I think that's a foot of some sort, a foot joint, and also 2 little knives. Let's get her out. Here she is in all her glory. I'm not heavily invested into Heavily Armed High School Girls, the series itself, but I found this figure to be really cute. She gets a bunch of knives, she's got slashing effects, katanas, and honestly, the work on her isn't that bad. It is kind of plain in the colors, but I think that's why you make up with the pink slashing effects that she is part of. There we go. Showing her off. I'll show off the katana. I think this one comes off. Yeah, okay, so this one comes out. Not too much. So you can have, you can pose her in multiple ways. And as I'm going through these accessories, I want you guys to remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. It does help the channel a lot, and I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And to everyone who has already subscribed, thank you so much, and thank you for coming back. I think this is a foot. Yeah, it's a foot, so heel. You got a heel of some sort. One of her faceplates, more stoic, or trying to see if I get this too much light here, so trying to do this. Another face, I think this is more of a happy face. There is some smudge on it. I want to see if I can get that off. Yeah, it's just like dust or some sort. And her pink slashing effect. I won't take out the 2 knives, but you can see them in there. Now that's all done. Let's start this one. The 2 swords hanging on the back. I think I can take them. Yeah, you can't take them out. I remember that. Yep. One is longer, one is shorter. They have about the same quality as the other one. Nothing too much different from each other. I guess I can go back in there. And this is base and joints. Nothing too much with these. So if you want to make sure that you are getting an authentic one, make sure that the blister is with it, this extra blister, and that you actually get all the accessories and everything in it without it being, you know, just all loose inside the box. It helps. All right, now that I think I showed off all the accessories, let's put it together. Things to note that there is a parting in the hair for where this stand goes into. Just something to know. I think it goes like this. If I remember. Yep, you can do like that, where you can open up the back. You know, tilt the head forward so you can put this. So you want to put this one first. So if you want to have the actual swords on the back of her, you know, it doesn't come out undone too much. Let's see if I can do this. And it should sit something like that. It's not the most tightest fitting things, but it should work if you're posing it. And then now, if I wanted to, remember, like it's kind of hard to get this through and getting her to stand. And look at, she kind of looks fully assembled, you know, praise the sun. But I did have to do it like this, where it kind of curves up and then goes into the back of her. And also the swords, it shows that it's like kind of more bent, like forward or something, or on the side. And, you know, Among Us. But nothing too bad. There, you know, it's very finicky to get her actually fully assembled. But you know, once it is, it doesn't look too bad. And praise the sun again. And hope if you probably will have a better time getting her back together compared to me. But here she is, fully assembled. Now that she's fully assembled, let's start the showcase.
Thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing for more of my figure videos. Also, leave a like and a comment on what you think of this Nendoroid, and remember, thick thighs is lives.